I'm going to show you all how to make the leaves for your flowers now. All right, you have a bag that has about equal amounts of yellow and blue, and we need to mix these together to make our green. So I'm just going to start kind of twisting and smushing it. Keep working it until you start to see that little bit of green coming through. You'll know you're on the right track now. So keep mixing it. I'm just kind of twisting mine and then smushing it back together. Okay, and it's okay if there's still some swirls in there. All right, so I have it kind of mixed up in a ball. I'm going to divide this in half. So I'm going to pinch it right down the middle. And then I'm going to divide each one of these in half again, so that I have 4. All right, and I only need 1 of these right now, so I'm going to put the other 3 off to the side. You can put them back in your bag if you want to. All right, so for the 1 ball that we have left, I'm going to divide it in half. I'm going to kind of roll this out and then start smushing it. Now we want our leaves to be more of a football shape, get a little bit smaller on the ends. So I'm just going to take my fingers and I'm going to run them along the edge of this until it starts to look, I'm pinching it towards the end so it looks more like a leaf. I'm going to go ahead and pick this one up, and on my flower I'm just going to stick it right along where that base is, where we've been pinching in our petals. I'm going to stick that right about there, and it doesn't have to go right there, it could go somewhere else, but I think it looks nice and kind of covers up that base. All right, I'm going to put my flower down. I'm going to take my other one and kind of work it the same way, smush it with my finger or my thumb. And then when I get it flattened out a little bit, I'm just going to run my fingers right along the edges and start tapering it out into more of a leaf shape. Now if you wanted, you could take your pencil and gently add in a line or some little details like this. But I think it's fine plain too. Alright, so I'm just going to find another spot on my flower, kind of near that base, and I'm going to put this other leaf right about there. So when you get done, it looks kind of like this, and you can smush together or smooth any parts that you want, kind of shape those leaves the way you want them to go, and then you can stick your flower in the vase, and this is one completed flower.